This group includes nutrient-dense vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and kale. It tastes similar to green cabbage. However, the purple variety is richer in beneficial plant compounds that have been linked to health benefits such as stronger bones and a healthier heart. Here are 5 impressive health benefits of purple cabbage, all backed by science. 1. Helps fight inflammation. Purple cabbage may help fight inflammation, which is thought to contribute to many diseases. One test tube study during an artificial model of the human gut found that certain varieties of purple cabbage reduced markers of gut inflammation by 22 to 40%. Animal studies report that sulforaphane, the beneficial sulfur compound found in many cruciferous vegetables, may be to thank for its anti-inflammatory effects. Interestingly, applying cabbage leaves to the skin also appears to reduce inflammation. For instance, adults with arthritis who wrap their knees in cabbage leaves once a day reported feeling significantly less pain by the end of the 4-week study period. 2. May protect against certain cancers. Purple cabbage may help protect against certain types of cancers. Experts believe that this may be because it contains sulforaphane and anthocyanins, 2 compounds researched for their cancer-fighting properties. Moreover, there's evidence to suggest that the sulforaphane found in purple cabbage and other cruciferous vegetables may help kill cancer cells or prevent them from growing and spreading. Cell and animal studies suggest that anthocyanins may have similar anti-cancer effects. Anthocyanins are found in red, purple, and blue-colored fruits and vegetables, including purple cabbage. 3. May enhance gut health. Purple cabbage may improve the function of your gut. Cabbage is also a good source of fiber, which keeps your gut healthy and helps it digest food more easily. Insoluble fiber makes up around 70% of the fiber in cabbage. It adds bulk to stools and helps move food through your gut more easily, reducing the risk of constipation. The remaining 30% is soluble fiber, which provides food for the beneficial bacteria living in your gut. In turn, these friendly bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, such as acetate, butyrate, and propionate, which feed the cells of your gut. 4. May strengthen your bones. Purple cabbage contains several bone-benefiting nutrients, including vitamin C and K, as well as smaller amounts of calcium, manganese, and zinc. Vitamin K1 is mostly found in plant foods, such as leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. This distinguishes it from vitamin K2, which is found in animal products and fermented foods. There's evidence that both forms of vitamin K play a role in maintaining strong and healthy bones, although more research is needed to pinpoint the specific effects of each. 5. May promote heart health. Purple cabbage may also benefit your heart. This may be due to its content of anthocyanins, which are flavonoid antioxidants that give purple cabbage its characteristic color. Higher anthocyanin intake may also be linked to lower blood pressure and lower risk of heart disease. Purple cabbage contains more than 36 types of anthocyanins, making it an excellent source of this heart-healthy compound.